Do you know that some old Toyotas cost more than the brand new ones? Sounds wild, but it's true. Just because some older models are more reliable, have fewer electronic problems, and have easier, cheaper maintenance. This is why buyers trust them more than the newer, tech-loaded versions. But here's the catch. Not every used Toyota is a smart buy. Some are built like tanks and run forever, while others can become a money pit real quick. In this video, we'll show you the best and worst used Toyotas to buy in 2025, so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Keep watching till the end to find out which popular Toyota you should actually avoid. Let's begin with the best models first. Here are the best used Toyotas to buy in 2025. Toyota Auris, 2012 to 2019. If you're looking for a car that just gets the job done, no drama, no headaches, the Toyota Auris is your go-to. Think of it like your favorite pair of comfy socks. Nothing flashy, but dependable every single day. Built between 2012 and 2019, the Auris is one of the smartest used car buys in 2025. You can find one starting from just around $2,100, making it a budget-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on quality. Why is it so good? Simple. Reliability. The Auris has earned a solid reputation for being nearly bulletproof. Mechanics rarely see these in their shops, and that's always a good sign. In fact, many taxi drivers love the Auris, especially the hybrid version, because of its low running costs, fuel efficiency, and the ability to handle long drives without any fuss. It's built to last, and it shows. No, it's not the most exciting car on the road. There's no sporty flair or flashy tech, but when you want peace of mind, this is the Toyota that delivers. The hybrid models in particular offer excellent fuel economy, which means fewer stops at the gas station and more money in your pocket. Plus, it feels solid and stable on the road, with easy-to-drive dynamics that make daily commutes a breeze. So, if you want a stress-free car that just works, the Toyota Auris from 2012 to 2019 should be at the top of your list. It's not just smart, it's practically bulletproof. Toyota Corolla, 2014 to 2019. The Toyota Corolla has always been the go-to car for people who want something reliable, easy to drive, and built to last, and the 2014 to 2019 models are no exception. With prices ranging from $13,400 to $16,500 depending on the year and condition, the Corolla offers fantastic value in today's used car market. You're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind. According to Consumer Reports, the 2019 Corolla scores a reliability rating of 80 out of 100, which is excellent for a car in this price range. Real-world owners also report an impressive average of 32 miles per gallon, so you'll save a lot at the pump over time. It's not the flashiest ride, but it's a smooth, steady performer that's perfect for daily commuting, school runs, or weekend errands. Inside, the Corolla is comfortable and well put together, with user-friendly controls and decent space for both front and rear passengers. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or just need something dependable, this car fits the bill. Sure, the owner satisfaction rating is around 3 out of 5. It's not thrilling to drive, but it's consistent, practical, and built with Toyota's trusted quality. If you want a used car that'll get you from A to B every day without fuss, the 2014 to 2019 Corolla should definitely be on your short list. It's reliable, fuel efficient, and holds its value well, making it a smart and safe buy in 2025. Toyota Camry Hybrid, 2018 to 2024. If you're looking for a used hybrid that feels like a luxury car without the luxury price tag, the Toyota Camry Hybrid from 2018 to 2024 is a total winner. With used prices for the 2019 model hovering between $16,950 and $21,300, this car gives you incredible value for money, especially when you consider what it brings to the table. Let's start with fuel efficiency. Real owners report an average of 45 miles per gallon. That's hard to beat, even by today's hybrid standards. It means fewer gas station stops and more savings over time, especially if you drive a lot. And when it comes to reliability, The Camry Hybrid knocks it out of the park with a 90 out of 100 rating. This is the kind of car you can buy and not worry about for years. But here's the best part. Owners love it. Like, really love it. It gets a 5 out of 5 satisfaction rating, which means it's not just dependable, it's enjoyable to live with. The ride is smooth, the cabin feels upscale, and the hybrid system works seamlessly in the background. You get the power of a gas engine when you need it, and the quiet efficiency of electricity when you don't. So if you want a used hybrid that looks great, drives well, sips fuel, and barely asks for repairs, the 2018 to 2024 Camry Hybrid is hands down one of the smartest buys in 2025. It's proof that eco-friendly can also be stress-free and stylish. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 2016 to 2018. If you want the space of an SUV with the fuel savings of a hybrid, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid from 2016 to 2018 hits a sweet spot. It's one of the best used hybrid SUVs you can buy in 2025 under $20,000, with 2018 models typically priced between $16,325 and $21,225. That's a solid deal for a vehicle that's big enough for the family, gear, and grocery runs without guzzling gas. The owner-reported mileage is around 32 miles per gallon, which is great for an SUV. That means you get extra room without the extra fuel cost. Add in Toyota's proven hybrid technology and a reliability score of 80 out of 100, and you've got yourself a vehicle that's built to go the distance. Whether it's city driving or weekend trips, the RAV4 Hybrid delivers smooth performance and practical comfort. Now, it's not perfect. The owner satisfaction rating sits at 3 out of 5. Which suggests that while people appreciate the economy and reliability, they might not be wowed by the driving experience or interior design. It's more about function than flash. But if your top priorities are space, fuel savings, and dependability, that trade-off might be totally worth it. In short, the 2016 to 2018 RAV4 Hybrid gives you the best of both worlds: SUV versatility and hybrid efficiency without stretching your budget. It's a smart, family-friendly pick that holds up well on the road and at the gas pump. Now, moving on to the worst Toyota models to buy. Here are the worst used Toyotas to avoid in 2025. Toyota Sequoia 2022. If you're shopping for a used full-size SUV, the 2022 Toyota Sequoia might catch your eye, but it's one you'll want to think twice about. With a low overall rating of 5.9 out of 10 from US News, it ranked last among affordable large SUVs in its class for that year, and for some good reasons. Let's start with the few things it does right. The Sequoia has a spacious interior, giving plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Its strong V8 engine also delivers solid power, making it feel confident on the road. But unfortunately, that's where the good news ends. The downsides are hard to ignore. First off, the fuel economy is terrible. Just 13 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. That means you'll be spending a lot more at the gas station, especially if you drive daily. Inside, the cabin looks and feels outdated, with cheap hard plastics that don't match the price tag. The infotainment system is also way behind the times, lacking the smooth tech experience drivers expect today. And if you're hoping to use the Sequoia for towing, think again. It has the lowest tow rating in its class, which is a major letdown for a full-size SUV. So, while it may seem tough and roomy on the outside, the 2022 Sequoia just doesn't deliver where it counts. In 2025, your money is better spent elsewhere. Toyota CHR 2022. The 2022 Toyota CHR might look sharp with its sporty design, but don't let the looks fool you. It's not the best pick if you're shopping for a used compact SUV in 2025. With the fact that Toyota ended its production after this model year, there's a reason it didn't stick around. Now, to be fair, the CHR does come packed with great standard safety features. You get useful tech like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all of which are solid for keeping you safe on the road. The infotainment system is also simple to use, which is a nice plus for everyday driving. But beyond that, the CHR starts to fall apart, especially when it comes to space and performance. The back seat is tight, making it uncomfortable for adults or growing families, and the cargo room is disappointing, which limits its practicality. The biggest letdown, though, is the underpowered engine. It feels sluggish when you hit the gas, and it gets loud and rough, especially during highway driving or uphill climb. So, while the 2022 CHR has some modern tech and a sleek design, it simply doesn't deliver the comfort, space, or driving experience that most people want in a compact SUV. If you're buying used in 2025, this is one Toyota better left on the lot. Toyota Tundra 2021. The 2021 Toyota Tundra might sound like a solid used truck with its strong V8 engine and roomy interior, but don't be too quick to put it on your short list. This version of the Tundra falls short in several key areas that matter most to truck buyers. Let's start with the good. The V8 is powerful, giving the Tundra a strong presence on the road, and the cabin space is generous, giving passengers plenty of legroom. It also has a good reputation for reliability, which is something Toyota trucks are known for. But here's the problem. It just doesn't keep up with the competition. The fuel economy is poor, especially compared to other full-size trucks. So if you drive often or tow regularly, you'll be spending a lot more at the pump. And while the interior is big, it's also dated and cheap looking, filled with hard plastics and styling that feels like it's stuck in the past. What's more disappointing is its towing ability. For a full-size pickup, the 2021 Tundra tows less than most of its rivals, which is a big drawback if you're planning to haul trailers, boats, or work gear. Toyota gave the Tundra a full redesign in 2022, and for good reason. So in 2025, skip the 2021 model and look for either an older, more value-packed year or the improved 2022 redesign instead. So there you have it, the best and worst used Toyotas to buy in 2025. Whether you're looking for a fuel-sipping hybrid or a no-nonsense daily driver, Toyota has some true gems. But as you've seen, not every model lives up to the hype. Before you buy, do your homework, check the history, and pick the one that fits your needs, not just your budget. If you find this video helpful, then be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.